All right, check out this weather. So much for spring. It's April 2nd. Got a couple inches of snow out on the ground. Anyways, I started doing a cook this morning. I started about 6 o'clock. I've got a pork butt on here and I've got it set on super smoke, 225. The grill's running about 228 right now. The probe, you can see it's 102. And I set it probe temp at 165 because I'm gonna wrap the pork butt at 165. But listen to this grill on super smoke. You can hear how the fan cycles on and off. It's pretty cool. The grill came up to temps pretty quick. It was 31 degrees this morning when I started cooking. It was really cool. The display said cold weather startup, so it knew that the weather was cooler outside. Yes, it's got an ambient temperature on it. And we're just cooking. Let's take a little peek at the old pork butt and see how we're doing. Oh yeah, it's looking good, man. I think I'm just gonna put it in that pan when I'm done. Oh, look at the temps just falling. And it knows when you open and close the lid. It has a turbo temp. I'll just get right back up to temp real quick. Let's see how long it takes.
Cover it nicely. Won't be too much longer. We'll be back up to temp. I've been using the Traeger app to monitor this whole cook. That's really nice, especially on a day like today, where I don't necessarily want to be outside. Okay, we're back to temp.
We'll let this thing keep cooking. Oh, it cycled off for the super smoke. We'll let this thing keep cooking. Keep tracking the progress here. All right, so we got the pork all wrapped up, and then I threw on some, check those bad boys out. Threw on some cinnamon rolls. Try those. They're just some Rhodes dough cinnamon rolls. We like those. So cranked it up to 350 so we could cook the cinnamon rolls. I think that'll be good with the pork too. Just let it get up to temp a little quicker today. We're hungry.